Lesson 10.5, Video 2. Let's apply the midpoint formula. When we use the midpoint formula, we have to ensure that we are given the endpoints. If we're not given both endpoints, we have to modify it a little bit. In this case, we are given the endpoints, -1, -2, and 3, -4. So as the formula states, we add the x's and divide by 2, and again we're going to have a coordinate for an answer, so I'll put it in coordinate form here. They're going to add the y's and divide by 2. So we have -1 plus 3, which is 2 over 2. -2 plus a -4 is a -6 over 2. We simplify that down and we get 1 and -3. Now for clarity, let's see what we have. We're given the point -1, -2. It's right about there. We're given the point 3, -4. Which is about there. And where would the midpoint be? Where would the middle of that line be located? Well, we found out that it is this coordinate, which is 1, -3, or about there, and that looks like it works. So it's a good way to check it as well. Our next one, again, ensure that we're given the endpoints, and we are. So I will add the x's and divide by 2. Add the y's. Be careful about your signs. That's a -8. So we have 5 divided by 2 for the first one. We have a -25 divided by 2. And that's an okay answer. And if you want to go ahead and do the division and write 2.5, as long as it's not rounding it, that's okay. And then we have -12.5. And that would be the midpoint between those two coordinates. And this ends Lesson 10.5, Video 2.